Go ahead. I'm Jermaine Staple representing for Jamaica Good Life. We have here one of our musical icon, Luciano. I just want to big up the channel, Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life. This is what we do. Small people doing big things. Love and the charity we share with the world and the majority. So join in with I and I. Bless up. Saying, wanted to know that Jamaica is still a place that we all can come and have a good meditation. No matter what you see is going on, we believe in good over evil. Righteousness exalted the nation, and sin is a reproach unto Jah. Rastafari. Just say I am a messenger to teach the youth about roots and culture. Remember, Jamaica Good Life. Make the choice. Chef Jermaine, cooking for the people and nourishing the people.
What's your name?
Azaria.
You have to talk really loud.
Azaria.
Go back. Go back to the bus. Go back to the
Draw this door. Draw this door.
I'm not ready here to get everybody. So who knew the pledge, the national?
Everybody.
Okay, so everybody go over there and sing the national pledge for me.
It's not saying
Sing it. Oh, sing it.
1, 2, 3. Before God and all mankind, I pledge the love and loyalty of my heart, the wisdom and courage of my mind, the strength and vigor of my body, in the service of my fellow citizens. I promise to stand up for justice, brotherhood and peace, to work diligently and creatively, to think generously and honestly, so that Jamaica may, under God, increase in beauty, fellowship and prosperity, and play our part in advancing the welfare of the whole human race. Salute!
So who is the dancer? Who is the dancer? Who is the singer?
She's a dancer.
Sing. What are you going to sing for me? Okay. Tell me what you want to sing.
What you look like? A Jamaican song?
Anything. Yeah, I prefer Jamaica song. I prefer Jamaica song.
Jamaica song.
You have to hurry up because the bus is ready. Oh, you can stay out there.
She can. Oh, pirates, yes, they're about. Sold I to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I from bottomless pit. But my hand was made strong by the hands of the Almighty. We forward in generation triumphantly. Won't you help to sing another song of freedom? That's all I ever had. Redemption songs. Redemption songs.
It's another morning, walking my daughter to the bus stop. I don't want Jamaicans get it twisted, you know. As my Randy said some days ago, everything is a perception. So I don't want people feel like say me just make Jamaica look like this goody place. We have a bad and we're good, yes. We have a bad and we're good. And it's just how the thing work. Some we left Jamaica and we did dip on a little higher note than others. And at the same way it work, you go abroad, you might have it a little better than the next person, because everything is where you work for or where you get. So yes, me in my little community, I work hard, I buy a little house, yes, and I sort out my little things. So as Randy said, it's a perception, what you put in and what you get out. This might look pretty, yes, but at the same time there are other things to it where an next man now go do what me I do. An next man might have to juggle harder than me juggle. And at the same time, we have a up and we down. We have a good day as well as we have a bad day. So just so the thing said.
this is my first time at the Rock House. You have a push cart
You know, we should
and you have a
have
Rock
shared
House.
our lemonade.
There goes the man that's doing his thing. This is the vibe right here. Rock House and push cart. This is the best Jamaican vibe, you know? You know, around there I always bring it to now. Nice and nice and all the vibe. Oh, you know, people dive off here and it's... What is he taking pictures of? It's just beautiful. It is just beautiful having... It's beautiful having lunch here. Let me contrast here. It's beautiful having lunch. Oh, that'd be nice. Yeah, say to the people then.
Yeah, man. At Jamaica, we say every time, you know. I tell you, at Jamaica, we say every time. Because, as I say, I know the White Plains, I know the Bronx, I know the Queens, I know the Virginia, I know everywhere in America. I've been here, done that. But at Jamaica, it's easy now. You know? Everything good.
So why you leave? Why you say this is the move? You have to come back. Why you have to come back?
Well, my dream was Jamaica, you know. At Jamaica, I love my heart and everything that Jamaica. So it's like I go to America and God help me make money. I'm just return. I'm just set up my farming and pig farm and goat farm and everything. You know? And all set.
So you make money from the pig?
No, I just say I go to America and I make money and come back home.
And you buy the pig them?
Yeah, man. And
so you have, you have to set up a farm when you come back?
You have to set up something because if you have, remember, if I have the river and you run here no rain and fall, the river can run dry. So if me make some money and come back to Jamaica and pack up the money like say it's enough like my house.
Yeah.
I mean do something for invest and for maintain it. The money I can run down. So when I do now, I create something for have every day to make a everyday living. You understand? I'm up on the farm and everything I go on, everything good. Big up everybody in New York, same you know. I love you still. Connecticut.
How old is now?
44.
Yeah, and you live out already, so you just go just play some domino and drink some rum and you're good.
I'm a good man.
Smoke some good herbs.
Well, you don't know, and everybody smokes still, but you know, blessed is the man who wants to smoke it.
Yeah.
But me not smoke it. I mean I drink still, so. But I'm good. As I say I'm good. Nah, I complain. I get up every morning, fresh, you know.
Like, are you this?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. I'm act them, I'm going to feel right now, you know. I feel I'm act them.
Well, you're an inspiration to many.
Yeah.
I want to make the move.
Yeah, man.
So farm the thing.
Yeah, man.
Save your money.
Save your money.
Make
Because
sure.
I'm going to tell this again. I got a foreign, I'm saying people there from the 60s, the 70s, the 80s. I'm run left them and come back. I'm just go to 10 years and come back and come back. I'm good. Show them all my house. I just at the back of the house.
You build it from scratch?
From scratch. Pops can tell you.
So your family help build it, you know really?
I'm alone build my thing, man.
You physically lay your block?
No, I have contractor to build it. But
build
I
it.
mean, spend my money and build it.
Yes, the real thing. The real dream.
Yeah, man.
I hate this.
Yeah,
10
man.
years.
10 years.
You drop out.
Yeah,
no,
man.
no physical illness.
No.
No pills.
No, I'm on high blood pressure pills still, but I'm good. I'm born with it.
Uh-huh.
You know, in the family, you know. In the genes, so I just
We
carry on doing it.
respect you. You're a real dapper than for drop out. At 27 years I'm up there now and still things wrong.
Yeah, man.
27 years and can't give pops 100 years so I come down. You know the things time.
Yeah, man, I know it is, man.
So alright.
Yes, you see it?
If you put them in your lungs, where are you do that for? This is Kevin and Baba. This Baba, a toast to the new year. Happy New Year, my
Happy New
brethren.
Year.
This to the
Rice and
family.
peas and chicken.
We'll eat some food. Wish you no greetings and Happy New Year.
Yeah.
You know, come back home soon and get some of Baba style food himself. Oh, Baba, me tasted ginger.
Tasted ginger.
Yes, yes, no. Wait.
You are going to be.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
You see the one I left in the bucket tomorrow? Mm-hmm. I hit a good taste of ginger.
Oh, yeah, soak it in there.
Yeah, man.
Whoa, it a go blend nice.
I hit a good nice.
Mm.
This is just half of the top, you know. The cream down the bottom.
Tomorrow for the second for the
Tomorrow
new
for
year,
the second thing is
we're going deeper in the sorrel.
deeper in the sorrel.
We pick it a bush, we do it Jamaicans, family, enjoy the life.
Yeah.
Come back to the home country and enjoy yourself. Spend some time with Baba and enjoy life. So I don't know what happened New Year. Alright, first day, second day, we're going deeper in the sorrel.
Deeper in the sorrel.
Give thanks, Baba.
Hold on.
What do you say? Now, Baba, break out the sorrel now. Let me eat my country food, my fresh rice. Boy!
A sorrel that you know.
Whoa, Baba. And so you leave it.
A sorrel that man.
But no me did pick them there.
I hit man.
I was never so smart. Me pick sorry the whole day. The whole day me pick sorry now. That's why me drink this like a Kool-Aid.
Yeah.
They make me drink sorry like a Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid.
It's so abundant. Don't you say? Me say when you drink sorry like a Kool-Aid. I say you drink some sorry. They no God give away.
Come on, nature's of God, man.
Boy.
Natural food.
And me pick all of that sorry. So people, love, honor, blessings from creation. Baba creation, God creation, give thanks.
He's been back in the game. Who was that?
Oh, this one. Go, salad.
Wait, do they own the field or something?
Huh?
Do they own the field?
It's for the housing scheme.
For the what? There's gonna be a house there?
No, it's for the community.
Me I say no yam for the next 20 years, tell me how. And that nah to me again. But any money where you give me a coach.
Alright, now worry yourself, man.
You tell me for tell me that they tell me more than we are can't sleep. You say,
Scale and rope, okay.
you know say we lose $1,000 so easy.
Get it back, man. You're getting back that. The Lord will provide, brother, Baba.
The Lord have provided long time. You see me how you mad.
Adapt me, I say.
Realistic.
I don't feel them, idea. Baba, them.
You make yourself put everything in the box and this is what
Not sure one way you want it.
Hmm?
Take one piece. Cast.
One piece of piece with the next box.
One box, okay. You stand here and I boss collect same time.
No, I really the money I probably know. Hey, right, hold on. No, hold on.
Working man, go up on you. Focus.
Come on, some issue.
Well, no move it.
110.
How much you made?
110. 140.
Not
make it up.
You want to fast next?
110.
Go back up again.
Get on, man.
See me? 140.
110. Now, by young family, I'm knee. So, we know who's going to be there. Yo, if you take out that way, it will be a 10 pound you call it 5.
You can scale back out.
I'll let you tell you what is?
Oh. That's what not so we don't first. No, but the box that kill me.
Conti money, Baba, conti. You still a say go on.
Una Baba bring all them yam, man. Baba one bring. Panny made? Yeah. One bag? One crocus bag? Two panny made?
One at a time.
Seriousness, that. Real Jamaica.
If you tell man say I go easy today.
In this home.
Oh, wide world. If I should fall in love again, to me it would be a pleasure.
What's that?
The laundry we're coming from. To give them coats to me.
Huh? No, I think that was that.
To give them some stuff that might have. They don't dirt, they're not dirty, they're just
I mean, this is a culture shock again for me, but they're so clean. They all look so healthy.
the people.
Yeah. You don't even understand where I'm coming from.
So you don't.
People happy and smiling.
Yeah, man, they look alive. Everybody alive. My mother's party there? Eh? My mother's party?
Yeah.
Go my mother's party.
Come go back in first.
Because you see me go to TSC over Kingston and it was the
You
worst.
want party? Have a
Yeah, man, the mother's party. Just for it's hot, right? Get your mother. So we go over. See, what kind of food you eat over? Look at what fish.
Yeah. Eat fish since you go?
No.
Jeffrey.
You like that one? Is it a different taste from the others?
Mm-hmm.
It's sweeter? You're still wondering? Oh yeah, these carry a lot.
Do you have an outlet box?
Well, that's. What are we drinking? One coconut or two coconuts today?
One. Two.
Two coconuts today? I'm going to say I go preserve my culture, the herbs, the people them, my grandmother shop right there. So, and Denny, we have preserved the herbs. We give to the people them free. Because we're big. Why we have to charge? Why would I charge to give a man anything in life? Come in at this.
When we have it.
When we have what?
Yeah, when we need.
What them say? You know, say we have the whole thing that you know what I say. So when I say from Manchester to the world, I don't care if you come from Senti, St. Mary, Clarendon. I don't care where you come.
US, New York.
New York.
Yeah, the US, okay.
I just want to put Manchester on the map. You see me? Say, in a Manchester, we work for Jamaica in a certain way. We now preserve the herbs. So we have to tell St. Mary, I like the Moko movement. I want to know if it up on the thing and make sure we continue.
Movement.
Yes.
I like it.
I love it. I watch the video them man. Yo, are your herbs are the healing and saved information. And that's what I started out with. And then it come, now I have wrap up the project now. I upload all the video them and let it free to the world. So to the world next time. One. Okay, Jamaica. Now, why do I stay at Travelers Beach Resort? Because this guy who owns this hotel, he gives back to Jamaica. See, it's a lovely place. I love it. I'm on vacation again. And I'm just telling you guys, when you spend your money, spend it with those who take it. My bed is pretty nice. This is Travelers Beach Resort. So I'm going to teach you now how to live in Jamaica. All right. So you get off the airplane, right? 25 US on your credit card. Get a Juta bus, and it takes you to Travelers Beach Resort. Sometimes, depending on the season, it's like 80 a night to 160. I'm paying 160 now because you know it's high season. But anyway, so then you go to a little store nearby and you get a juice. You get 2 little flasks of rum, you got your speakers, and you get this container. Pour the juice in the container, put the bar, get your ice, sit in front of the beach, and just enjoy yourself. You don't have to spend money on alcohol all the time. Just make your own. So I'm back in Jamaica again, Travelers Beach Resort. It's lovely. I'm gonna have a great time. Take you on the journey with me. Alright? It's gonna be a party later. One love. Respect. Take care of yourself. Travelers Beach Resort. I endorse this place. thing now. Give me the
Alright.
breakdown.
Alright, this one is star fruit, cherry, pineapple, and look at tip of ginger. Yeah. And this one now, Ramon, Irish mash, linseed, conch, green banana, young green banana, boil out everything, peanut and thing. You see me? Honey and wheat. You see me? You with that funny boy.
Then Vitamix.
Yeah.
So after you boil, so you blend it out.
Yeah,
you freeze it.
No.
The boil, you make it cool.
You make it cool and then you put it by your
Boil and then they boil
and you don't mix up it and thing.
Then you put it in the fridge and it's cool.
Yeah. No milk.
Everybody chew no ice in it, you chew ice go water though.
Yeah.
So just put it in a jug, in the fridge and make it cool. And it's cool.
With your honey and your wheat.